About, since your car's
You're supposed to thumb sideways.
so how do you feel about, since your car is done and all from start to finish?
I feel great, man. It feels good. A lot of hard hours at night putting this together and making sure it was perfect for Nissan, and killed it, and no issues, not one issue whatsoever. So
That's right, you put the engine in yourself.
yeah.
You did everything yourself.
Oh, you did a piano kick pretty quick.
Yeah. I popped it all in. Had my buddies come by and help me, move it around.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to install the engine?
One day.
One day? Okay, what did you do? You pull off the front clip off of it? Alright. So anyone who's basically trying to install their own engine to save a couple dollars?
I ain't no ASC certified tech, and I can do this myself. So
What do you do for a living?
I'm a carpenter.
A proud carpenter there.
There you go.
I literally wrote you in an email saying, spend the whole day to check over the car.
Yeah.
Because knowing that your car got tuned without a single hiccup is a testament to your craftsmanship. And what did I put at the end? I put, it's literally something to be proud of.
Yeah.
You know?
No, I feel really proud.
Yeah, I didn't have one issue.
Now, did you really didn't know anything about like installing motors, putting it in, just
No.
He just wasn't scared.
No. Yeah.
so how long you think? Well, not how long though, but the difficulty of doing it. What do you rate it from 1 to 10?
I mean, it's not like a
How many wrenches?
how many wrenches?
As what people?
Out of 5 wrenches, right?
Yeah,
I say 4.5.
4.5.
Yeah, you gotta know. My buddy helped me out with dressing and all that, so he was like, you gotta do this on first, then you gotta go here, you gotta do the piping. You can't go. You probably could go the way around, but it didn't really work. The way it worked perfect. So
It worked perfect, man. What kind of numbers you made?
518 and 435 on 930.
And what kind of turbo you have?
NX2.
NX2 that is buried back here, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, Nishan, this whole wastegate situation that everybody got to upgrade to. What's your thoughts?
Well, see, a lot of people, when I say a lot of people, I'm just saying this is what I see online, in Facebook communities and forums and stuff. A lot of people that contact me for tuning, they put in their mod list that they have the TurboSmart wastegate actuator on both the stock turbo as well as the NX2 turbo as well. Now, we had a previous customer with the same car, same engine. It was it's the Speed Performance Stage 2, and they had the same turbo, tuned the car identically on E50, and he had the factory wastegate actuator that comes from Precision. And I remember when we did first pull on spring pressure was 15 pounds at the factory preload setting that it comes at, and I remember I tuned that car to about 26, 27 pounds of boost peak, and then we start to run out of steam in the higher RPM and fall down to about 23 pounds of boost. So Camille has the same turbo but with the TurboSmart actuator, and it does the same exact thing.
No difference, right?
Zero difference. I don't know why people upgrade to it. I guess they're being told that it'll hold more boost, that red line, but I've never seen it.
Now, let me ask you a question.
That's not to shit on the product. It's still a good actuator.
Okay.
It just means that the OEM unit that comes from Precision is also good.
All right. So now, when we went to PRI last year, and they were showing us the new development of their wastegate that you can actually replace the springs to change it.
I remember something like that. I remember Precision.
Oh, what, you got playing with the RC car?
I'll go close. That's what happens when the coronavirus hits. People are bored at work, so they're playing with nitro RC cars instead of changing tires. Jesus.
That's our neighbors over there, tire replacement.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember at PRI in December, we stopped by Precision's booth, and they were asking us the same thing. You know, why are people putting or rather, why are they changing the wastegate actuator when we know that the one we supply it works good? And to be honest, I see the same level of consistency and boost control between the two. So anyway, they can actually, they designed a new wastegate actuator. I think it's like a billet aluminum machine.
Right, yeah, you can actually replace
And
the
you can,
springs
you can
inside
change
of it.
the springs inside of it if you're looking for a higher spring pressure. But to be honest, based off of how much airflow the NX2 turbo can move and the size of this engine, the other thing is this engine is really efficient with the cams. The cams really make the biggest difference as far as engine efficiency goes. So.
Hold on one thing. Was the head ported?
Was it?
No, you don't have
Nope.
to.
No,
Stock head, right?
No, it wasn't
stock
ported.
head,
Yeah,
no
stock
port
head.
work, nothing like that,
No,
right?
For sure.
Sorry about that. Go ahead, Nisha.
Yeah, we
No,
don't.
because I've heard, you know, a lot of people are saying you have to pour it and whatnot. So
Yeah.
I mean, it did what it has to do, right?
No, for,
Yep.
for a combination like this, you don't even need to port the head at all. Just put the cams in there and
Just let it shine, right?
run a good, just have good parts, run good fuel, tune it properly, and you're gonna see the results that you're seeing right here. So yeah, as I was saying, with a 15 psi spring pressure, it's more than enough. You don't need anything more because this turbo's out of breath right there. It's not going to make anything more than that. I've always seen about 520, and that's on this dyno. All dynos are different and whatnot, but this is the third turbo on a Focus RS with this exact turbo doing the same exact thing. So it's good. It means they make a great product. It's consistent. It does what it's supposed to do. And the best part is that it fits in there, and it's internal wastegate. So some people like that. I don't know what to say. More like a sleeper concept because you don't have a dump pipe making a lot of noise. Some people like that.
Well, I mean, this car right here is pretty loud.
Yeah, I would like to see it with the external wastegate. It'll definitely perform even better with an external wastegate. But that's the way it comes. It's a good product. And at the end of the day, if you want something more, then just go get yourself a Precision race series turbo. 6266, 6062, whatever you want to put. So
Big boy turbo. Step up from this year.
whatever you
This
wanna
turbo.
put.
Yeah.
Engine's always solid, so that's another testament to allowing it to do what it does. Is that the engines that you guys build here they just work. Got it down pat. We figured it out. We've had figured it out for some time now, and we know what the winning combination is to get the power out of it that you want. So it works good. Very,
Yeah, I
very
couldn't
good.
be more happy.
Come on, let's go take this thing for a ride.
Yeah.
Man. I don't want to be here no more.
All right.
Go.
Goddamn RC car. You guys will go kill yourself now, right? It's raining.